This review is of Bigelow Spiced Chai, which is made with black tea and it is decaffeinated. Okay, so I've heated up some hot water, and I'll take this out of here. There we go. Pop it in there and let it steep for a bit. Now, spiced chai, for those of you who are not familiar with it, is made with, obviously, black tea, but it's also made with certain spices, which may include things like cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and so on. This one is very interesting. It kind of foamed up the water for some reason. I don't know why. And just so you know, this does have soy lecithin in it. Smells. Oh, I can smell cloves. Yeah. Oh, smells good. Not everybody appreciates chai for some reason. I don't know. I'm going to use this Truvia. Hopefully one container of, one little packet or sachet of Truvia is going to be enough to sweeten it. Oh, one nice thing about tea bags, there's so much tea leaves and stuff in here. You can get 2, 3, even sometimes 4 cups of enjoyable beverage out of it. Alright, so let's stir this up. I'm still curious as to why it foamed up like this. Usually tea doesn't do that, but maybe it's because of some of the spices that are in here. I don't really know. So it's still foamy on top, which is curious. I don't know. There's no milk or anything in here, so... Alright. Now I did microwave the water for 3 minutes, so it is fairly hot, so I may not be able to do more than sip at it. Even the handle is hot. I'm going to let it steep longer. It doesn't have a very pronounced flavor, although the color is quite dark. Not all chai company or chai brands or tea companies make or use the same recipe. So if you try one kind of chai and feel like you might want to go ahead and try a different brand, and because you may discover that flavor appeals to you more. Then again, you may try all the brands and decide you just don't like having spices in your tea. Now, an alternative to chai, which originates from India, by the way, and is often served with milk, but I do not use milk in my chai for the very reason that the beneficial attributes of tea are ruined by the addition of dairy. Something chemically happens that causes it to neutralize the health benefits of tea. But an alternative to spiced tea called chai, which is a specific recipe or a specific series of recipes that are related, would be mulled tea or mulled cider. You can take and I don't even know what kind of spices are in it really, but it's a variety of different spices that are in there. Well, some of them are in their whole form and some of them are sliced. Like there's sliced cinnamon and there's other stuff in there. And you just put that in with your tea or your coffee. Coffee? Shush. Yeah, I think I'm going to get another packet of Truvia. Just doesn't seem to be very strong. It's still a very mild flavor. I don't know if it's because the Truvia doesn't contain sugar and therefore the chemical reaction is different, or if I just didn't steep it long enough. So I'm going to just steep it longer, and hopefully that will make up for the sparsity of flavor. Alright, so it's been a couple more minutes now. Really hope that should stop your damn noisy vehicles. I hate noisy vehicles. Okay. This is one reason why I don't usually do reviews of tea. Because I'm not patient sometimes. Alright, so I'm going to try it again. Now this has been steeping for a couple more minutes. And if necessary, I will add a packet of sweet leaf. Yeah. I'll add a packet of sweet leaf. Alright. Sorry, my cat was clawing at the screen door, and, well, that's not a good thing, right? Alright, try again. I don't know. I'm starting to feel like I need to steep it for a very long time, because it's still not really powerful or as flavorful as other brands that of chai that I've enjoyed. Kind of disappointing. I expected that Bigelow would, have a very nice one. I do definitely think that clove is a very dominant flavor in this version of chai. Oh, interesting fact: clove has a mild anesthetic power to it, effect, I guess you could say, and therefore it is sometimes used in its liquid form as an anesthetic for a toothache. So if you're ever having problems with a toothache, you should try to get some clove oil, and you can pack it into some cotton with some cotton next to the tooth that's bothering you to help reduce the pain that you're experiencing. I had to do that once, and it was pretty effective. It was a long time ago, though. Alright, so I'm just going to try to encourage the exchange of the diffusion. Alright. This is going to be my last attempt after this. If I still think it doesn't taste great, I'm just going to say it doesn't taste great. Okay. That's it. I give up. It doesn't taste great. It's not powerful. Chai, in my experience, should have a strong flavor to it. If you go to an Indian restaurant and ask for chai, number one, it's going to be scalding hot, so be very careful when they serve it to you. Don't drink it right away or you're going to burn your tongue. Number two, if you want the health benefits, ask them not to put any milk in it or cream. But it should be strong. Now, northern and southern chai do have a different flavor, so I'm wondering if maybe this is more of a southern recipe. Yeah. It's okay. It's just kind of weak. If you're a clove lover, and I do enjoy clove, you might find this to be an enjoyable beverage for you. Well, that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.